This print is called Horizon Seigaiha. In Japanese, Seigaiha means blue waves, and this design symbolizes the waves of peace, fortune, and good luck. When I started developing this design, I wanted to bring something very calming. And one of the things that I wanted to share in this design was the beautiful sun reflected on the surface of waves to create that harmonious feeling of vibrant colors on the surface of something very subtle. I came up with this yellow combined with the waves of green and pink. I used a Japanese brush and created a line work mimicking the subtle changes in the waves. Something like that, just a simple line paintings. I wanted to incorporate that into my drawing, and I wanted to capture the very serene, just calming feelings of the morning sun in the Seigaiha pattern.